What's up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, we have another clothing haul, which I'm excited for because I am partnering up with Princess Polly for today's clothing haul. I know you guys are going to be absolutely obsessed with Princess Polly because their clothing is such good quality. They're one of those places that I love to get staple items from because anytime I'm getting a staple piece that I know is a piece that I'm going to wear a lot and that I'm going to keep for years, it has to be good quality. It has to really be made to last. And Princess Polly's clothes are made to last. They're amazing quality. It is literally full on pouring rain outside, so it is a really gloomy day. So that's why the lighting's just a little bit dark in the back, but we're rolling with it. So if you're not familiar with Princess Polly, they sell so many amazing items, so much variety. Like I said, their items are such good quality. And of course, I actually have a discount code for you guys. You can get 20% off using my code 20Amy. The great thing about Princess Polly is they also offer something called AfterPay, which is amazing if you want to go ahead and shop now, but kind of pay later in installments. They also offer free 2-day express shipping on all US orders over $50 US, which I think is amazing because, I mean, most of the time if we're gonna buy clothes, you're gonna spend over $50. So you're gonna get free express 2-day shipping. So this is a great place to shop if you're going to an event or if you have a birthday coming up or just whatever and you need to get your items quickly. 2-day express shipping over $50. So I think that that's great. And like I said, they offer Afterpay, which I always think is a great touch because it offers you guys flexibility and allows you to, you know, manage your funds and work everything in. So I have some clothes right next to me that I'm gonna share with you guys I'm in love with. The first piece here is the this dress that I'm wearing that's kind of like this turtleneck. It's great because you can roll it down. If you want it to be more of a mock neck, you can roll it in. This is a really great knit dress. It is nice and thick, which I personally love because it's gonna keep me warm in the winter or fall. If you wanna wear a dress, but it's a little bit chilly outside, I honestly feel really warm in this, and I also feel very tucked in. I know sometimes with knit dresses, they're kind of like thin, so I don't feel like my body's like tucked. But this sweat dress, I do feel like I'm like in there. The quality is good. If you guys could feel it, you just know that it's made with really good quality. It also has like a lettuce edge that's really great. The first piece that I want to get started with is kind of a bold item, but I really just kind of thought it was a cool piece to work with and just kind of style up and have fun with. Maybe if I want to take like an Instagram photo or something. I just think it's really cool. I don't have anything like this. I've never tried anything like this, but it's a really pretty like bright pink kind of like blazer. I figured this would look really nice with black pants and like a white tube top. So yeah, I just thought this was really pretty and it actually fits really nicely. I was worried that it was gonna be too baggy or just like not fit properly, and it does fit me really nicely. I'm 5'1", so sometimes jackets just don't fit me right, and I think that this one actually fits really nice and I really, really like it. The 2 buttons are there for you to button it up if you want. I just thought this was a really cute piece for me to have fun with. So next item I just fell in love with. I don't know what it is, but I love black satin blouses. I have a bunch of black satin bodysuits in my closet and I just love them. I find they're so classy. Like if you pair this with really pretty, just not glittery, but like shimmery eye makeup, like I just feel like it's so classy and it just looks really good. So I wouldn't be wearing it full on like a blouse like this, even though you could honestly with like leggings and maybe tuck one side in and wear a cute little side bag. That would look cute. But I feel like I would tie it up in a knot, or I would tuck it all in, or like I said, tuck one side in. I would always want to show a little bit of body so that it's not too boxy, but I just thought this was a really nice, a little bit oversized black satin blouse, and I love the detailing on the buttons as well. They're not like bad quality buttons. The quality of these buttons are really good. They are also, what's the word I'm looking for? Covered in the black satin as well. So it's just really good material. You can just tell this is good quality material. Okay, next sweater I picked up and I'm absolutely obsessed with this. Not only do I love the color of this, which is a beautiful like muted faded charcoal blue tone, which I love charcoal and I love like that charcoaly blue type of tone. Not only is it the most amazing color, but the quality of this is really good. This definitely feels like a high-end brand. You know when you buy high-end sweaters and you're like, okay, you know, I can tell the difference. This feels like a really high-end quality name brand sweater and I love it. I also love just like, it's hard to explain, but just the color of it has this like slight faded look, and it almost kind of has like that Yeezy style, and I just really like it. It's also cropped, which I think is perfect if you just throw on some leggings and some sneakers. You guys know me, I love good like legging sneaker sweater combo, and I adore this. I'm definitely gonna be using this a lot in the springtime, especially because it's cropped. I feel like it's perfect for spring. So yeah, I'm definitely gonna get a lot of use out of this. It's great that it has a hoodie as well. Okay, so the next piece that I got is this amazing little black dress. I feel like you could never go wrong with just having a really staple little black dress in your closet. Now, what I loved about this one was the material. It kind of is slightly bandaged where it sucks you in a little bit, and I always think that that's good because when I wear a dress, I don't want to feel like uncomfortable and like too tight, but I want to feel like it's like holding on to me, and I just love this type of material. Holding on to me in a good way, by the way, not like holding on to me where it's showing too much. Like, I just want to feel like in there, you know, and I really love the quality and the material of this, and I love that it's a tank. And it is a mini dress, which I think is always cute. So the next piece that I got is this really gorgeous, really simple. I love simple bodysuits because they're so easy to style. I would wear this with track pants or jeans, most likely some sweats, and some sneakers, and you're good to go. I love that it's this beautiful like off-white cream color, and it has like the natural buttons, so I love that. It is also ribbed, and it's a scoop neck, so it's going to show a little bit of cleavage, which is nice, especially if you're wearing some sweats. I feel like having a scoop neck bodysuit adds a little bit of cleavage, so it adds a little bit of like, you know, a little bit of something. Adds a little bit of something, like, because the sweats are kind of like tomboyish and super cash, so the cleavage just adds something. And it is long sleeve, which makes it perfect to wear in the springtime coming up, because there are always those like little bit of chilly days. Next piece I got, I'm excited about because I have been looking for like the perfect faded black / gray denim jacket for forever. I do own one, but I just never felt like it was like the perfect fit and like the perfect one, and I love this one so much. Again, the quality is amazing, but I just feel like the fit of this is absolutely perfect. I love a good faded black denim jacket, and it is cropped but not too cropped, and it's just so nice. I absolutely love this one. The quality is really good too. Like, you could tell that this is like, it feels like a high-end name brand, which is what I love about Princess Polly's clothing. It's like you're gonna get good quality items. So I really wanted to make sure I picked up some staple pieces, especially something like this that I've been looking so long for. Okay, the next item that I got, I thought this was really cute, and I thought this would be perfect for the summer because a lot of the times in the summer I go out for walks or like go to Niagara Falls with the family, and those type of like outdoor outings where you want to wear something cute, but you still want to wear something very easy and comfortable because you're going to be walking a lot throughout the day. So like, for example, if you go to theme parks or amusement parks or whatever, I feel like play suits or rompers, jumpsuits, whatever you personally call them, are the perfect like go-to outfit for something like that, because it's cute and it looks like you tried, but yet it was very easy to put together. It's just a one piece, and it's also very easy to wear throughout the day. You just are in a one piece, and you don't have to worry about tucking this and pulling that and whatever. So I just love this. I love the black. I thought it was very classic, and I just love the silver zipper. It just added a cute little touch. I don't know, I'm really like content with this item. I think it's super cute, and I really like it. It's perfect. I actually cannot wait to wear this in the summer. Again, I think I'm probably gonna wear it to Niagara Falls or something, because I do go quite often to Niagara Falls in the summer with my family. So yeah, I know I'm definitely gonna get a lot of use out of that. I'm obsessed with this, okay? How adorbs is this top? Like, so cute. I absolutely love the print on this, and I love that it's gray. I love t-shirts like this because I just wear them on their own with some leggings, go to the grocery store, run errands, whatever, or I easily style them up and tuck them into a pair of jeans or leggings and put like some necklaces on it, which I am going to show you guys some necklaces, but throw some necklaces on with this and it's cute. So I did buy some really pretty necklaces from Princess Polly because I love the quality of them. Let me share this one with you guys. Like, look at how pretty that is. I'm absolutely obsessed with that. I was gonna wear it with my outfit today, but because this is a turtleneck dress, I didn't know if it was gonna be like too much. Usually with turtlenecks, I don't really wear necklaces as much, but I just adore this piece. It's kind of like a bar and it's very thin. I love the thin necklace. What do you call that? Chain, thin chain. So the last piece that I got is this amazing layered necklace. I love this one because a lot of the times when I've purchased layered necklaces in the past and I got them and I always am like, oh, that's so cute, and then I go to put it on with my outfit, I find that it's just too much. Like the necklace was too thick, the pendants were too large, so it was just like very cluttered. And you guys know me, I have a very simple, minimalistic style. So a lot of the times I don't even use my layered necklaces that I have in my drawer right now. But with this one, I am definitely gonna get a lot of use out of, because even though it's layered, it's very like fine and like simple still. Like the pendants they're very small, they're not too big, and the actual chain is nice and thin. So I love this one so much. I'm definitely gonna get a lot of use out of it. I'm so tempted to wear one, but I typically don't wear necklaces with turtlenecks. But yeah, I just adore this one. So that is pretty much what I got from Princess Polly. I know you guys are gonna absolutely love them. Like I said, they have such great quality items. So if you know you need a certain staple piece in your closet, this is gonna be the place for you to shop, because like I said, you're gonna be able to have items that are made to last and you're not gonna have to replace them in like 6 months. You can keep these staple items in your closet and know that you got really good quality. And they have amazing necklaces, shoes, accessories, so much different variety. Again, they do offer free express 2-day shipping on all US orders over $50 US. And they do offer AfterPay to all of their US customers. So again, I love AfterPay because it's just very flexible and it just allows you to be able to manage everything and still, you know, do a little bit of shopping. So yeah, don't forget to shop with Princess Polly. My coupon code is 20Amy to give you guys 20% off. And I'm also gonna link all of the items down below as well as my size, because I know that that helps you guys a lot. When you're shopping online, you wanna be able to see my body and compare the size that I purchased and kind of see what you should buy in comparison to your body. So it's just good to have size references. So I will leave all my sizes as well next to the specific item in the order that I mentioned everything down below for you guys. So yeah, hopefully you enjoyed. And of course, I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys. Mwah.